Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini trading room recap for the 17th of April, Friday, and today was another good day in the markets. We had 2 trades today and pulled 14 points out of the markets, so very good on the day. Our first trade happened right off the open, pretty much. We got long over here, which we were able to take some profit on the way up. As the market did come down, we kind of watched it move around a little bit. We got long over here, which we were able to take some profit on up here, and long down here we kind of just added to this trade, and we were able to ride that up and take some profits. So, very nice on the day, and that's all you really need is 2 trades. We pulled out 14 points. It's obviously not a typical day, because if we were able to pull out 14 points every day, it would trading would be a whole lot more fun and lucrative if it was that easy, but it's not. A lot of times we do grind and have a very difficult time, but today was very good, and it's one of those days that you can definitely look at, and it's one of those days that I like when I'm done trading is to go out and do something fun. I go out, have a great lunch, or hang out with friends, just do something fun, and to kind of take my mind off of trading. Because I think one of the worst things a new trader can do is make a lot of money one day and just focus on it. Just focus on the money. I did this, I did that. Oh, great. Look at me, I'm awesome. Because that is really going to set you up for failure the next time you come into trading. And, anyone that's happened to, you know what I'm talking about. Of course, I did that when I was a new trader. I made a lot of money. Let me call everybody and tell them. And then, of course, the next day you lose all of it and then some. Or at least that's what happened to me. A long time ago in my early days of trading. But those stories are, prevalent, and they happen. It's part of the reality of trading. You have to learn, and everybody says the market is the best teacher. That's the only way that I had to learn, really. I didn't have anybody to bounce ideas off of, and hey, I'm trading this way, how does it look? The people that I knew that did trade were fundamental investors, and yeah, they looked at stuff every now and then, but for the most part they looked at raw numbers, and they were long-term people. They weren't day traders or swing traders looking to capture 2 to 7 days worth of a move and then get out. They weren't that type of trader. So I basically had to learn from the markets and had to develop my own thing, and I think that has made me a really good teacher, because I can recall those moments, and thinking back, yeah, they're a bit funny. I can laugh. At the time I definitely didn't laugh, but now I can, and that's what life's all about, I think. Anyway, hopefully it made sense to you what I was talking about. A little bit of a story from the past, but I think it's a good story, and it's relevant to trading. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed it. You can always leave comments below the video. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day, awesome weekend, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.